Globally, we waste about 4.1 billion tons of food every year. That waste is sent to landfills where it doesn't properly decompose, and instead of returning to Earth as nutrients, it returns as the greenhouse gas methane. Greenhouse gases contribute to global warming, which is destroying our planet. Well then, are you terrified?
So compost!
Yes! If you weren't aware, Kinard is a green ribbon school. That means that we are environmental leaders in our nation. One of the things that sets us apart is the fact that we used to compost. With the pandemic, we had to take a break, but we're excited to get it started back up again this week. We're from C.A.R.E.S, and we're here to teach you how to compost and save our planet.
Welcome to the Compost Center! This is where you take your food when you're finished eating!
When you're ready to compost, don't get in line with all the people you ate with. I know you love hanging out with your friends, but when you all go at once, it clogs the line. As soon as you finish eating, get in line. When you get in line, the first Stop! Oh, we already missed something. Go back.
Before you even think about standing up to compost, you need to separate your food. Whether you brought your lunch or bought one, when you are in line, everything goes to a different place. You don't want to be the person who holds up everybody because they forgot to separate their trash. Do you?
Separate your waste into these 5 groups. 1. Compost.
Compost is anything that you took from the earth and can give back to the earth. Fruits, veggies, and napkins can all go in the compost. Food covered in condiments, in dressings, and with carrots and mustard, they cannot go in the compost. Those must go in the trash.
Who eats carrots with mustard?
Pour any liquids that you have in this bucket and drop your forks and spoons into this one. Pretty simple. Next.
Recyclables are man-made objects that can be repurposed into other man-made objects. Your empty and clean AC can, clamshells, fruit boat, and water bottle go in here. Make sure you already dump the contents in the liquids bin. If there is ketchup or salad dressing on your boat or clamshell, it must go in the trash.
Trash is stuff that can't be used again and will take a while in the landfill to decompose. This is where your plastic bags, goldfish wrappers, Cool Ranch Doritos bags, and any other condiments that you may like to dress your foods in go. Remember, those carrots with mustard and dirty clamshells go in here. If you forget to compost or recycle something, put it here instead of going back. It won't end the world. Keep in mind that there will be no other trash cans in the cafeteria.
Here goes Luke with the sample run. Look at that beautifully separated tray. Banana peppers and olives go in the compost. He takes his water bottle, empties it, throws it in the recycling. Milk has to go in the waste along with all of his other wrappers. And that's what you do every day when you're done eating.
Don't forget about us!
Oh yeah!
This cart also takes compost and recycle.
But in a week or 2, this cart will disappear, so don't rely on it.
There will be 2 places to take your compost. Then you're done! You survived. Now you get to go play 18 square and Gaga Ball with your friends. Okay, did you get all that? Did you comprehend every last detail? You're prepared to do it all by yourself on Tuesday? No? Don't worry, we won't leave you all alone. At every lunch, there will be a few C.A.R.E.S students helping you remember what goes where. If you need help, just ask.
All your food is collected, and it is taken outside, and we feed it to our friends, the worms. Worms are decomposers that over time they will help break down all this food into dirt that can be used in our gardens outside.
Then the process repeats all over again. The nutrients that was used from the food that was composted goes into growing the new food, which will then go to sustain the even newer food.
As a Green Ribbon School, it is our duty to set an example to all other schools in Colorado and the nation of what an eco-friendly learning environment looks like. Help us make a difference. Thanks for watching and have a happy Earth Month.